Morning. Thank you for your landing in my channel. Enjoy the video until end. Pouring hole. Prepare a plastic bottle of oil. Light the candle, then heat the top of the bottle cap. Stab the bottle cap with the copstick from the inside until it sticks out 1 to 2 centimeters. Cut the sharp edge to make a hole for the oil way out. Now your bottle has a leak, and you can pour oil without a mess. Simple hanging to collect scattered clothes hangers. Take one of hanger, hold both ends, and bend it inward. Collect hanger and insert the hanger into the bend, with the hanger upside down. Cleaner handle. Prepare wire cleaner tool, plastic bottle and rope. Cut the bottle at the neck. Tie the bottle with a rope. Insert the end of the rope into the bottle. Pull and tie it at the neck of the bottle. Now, you can handle and clean easier. Protection from splashing water. Use plastic bottle, make a hole in both sides. Insert screwdriver in the hole. You can repair easily without fear of splashing water. Spotting. Take a towel, slightly dampen the towel, place it on the table spot, and iron sometimes. Your table already rejuvenated. Table stand for smartphone. Broken zipper. Cut a little sliding on one side. Insert the zipper top. Cover the cut zipper with accessories like embroidery floss or flower arts. Subscribe and like to get next notification for our video. Thank you.